Guys, welcome back in Bangla YT, and this is another part of our third person shooting series. Okay, so last of video we add the animation graph and just set up some animation and state machine, and now I already add some new animation for without gun walking and also with gun walking. Okay, as you noted our last of video I add some rifle bow animations, and at that animation there's a no have any animation without the gun. Like if we don't have the gun, we must be not play the with gun animation, like we are holding the gun then we are walking, go left or right. We don't want to play that animation. We want that we don't have gun, we always walk like a real human. Okay, so for do that I already add some new animations. Okay, and then I add my third person template some animations, so I will be get some animation. Okay, so let's first of all now let's go in our TTP animation blueprint. So at here, okay, just open this graph and we need to go at our state machine. Okay, so just go at our locomotions, and as you can see at our last video we'll add this, or we created that one. So I already add the walk animation, now will be add the left and right animation and backward. Okay, so it is the we have when we don't have any gun. Okay, it will be play these things. So let's add at the left walk. We'll be search that walk, and here I have some left straight. Okay, we'll just drag it and just connect it with that. Okay, then at our locomotion, then again go at the right side, and now we need to find that walk right, and maybe I found some rifle, maybe I found some animation, maybe yeah, maybe a walk. There should be a walk like right side. Okay, here's the straight. Oh sorry, we need to go at the right. Okay, now we'll be just connected with this. Okay, now we just need the backward, so here's the walking with backward. And now as you can see, if I now just saved, and now if I play this, okay, as you can see now if I just go forward it will be play this animation. Just if I go left side it will be, as you can see, for now it's don't have any control that how he play this left or right animation or the backward. Okay, how our player know that, or our state machine know that he need to play this left animation or right animation, like we need to give these gates. Okay, so for do that what we need to do is basically very simple. We need to find our TTP player. Okay, first of all we need to open this, and at here we need to add some controls at here, that some variables that A1 that is the left, then D1 to right side, then S1 to backward. Okay, that is the basically the default key what you use for movement, move our player like left or right. Okay, so now what will we do is basically very simple, just add this key, that A keyboard. Okay, A keyboard, then we need the D, so D keyboard, and we also need a S keyboard, so S key. We're just getting the value that are we are pressing this, which key are we are inputting. Okay, so just grab this all the variable what you created, A1, D1 and S1s. Okay, now just press, if it's pressed so it's mean that we have our S1 is enabled, then we'll be duplicate it one more time, and if it's not pressing it's mean that our S1 is disabled. Okay, that is the same. Okay, so we'll be do this same thing for our others block too. As you can see, release and press. Okay, now just simply click on this true, and also for D1 we again do the same thing. Okay, now you will add with press and the release. Okay, so now you have the value that are we are pressing the D keyboard, A keyboard or S keyboard. Now here we can be verify this thing in our TTP. So just go at our event graph. Okay, at our event graph we need now some controls. So from TTP players, okay, from TTP players we need to get A1. Okay, then we need to get the same, that get D1, and then we need that get S1, get S1. Okay, so that is the simple inputs. Then we just promote a variable both. Okay, will we do the for our variable, and just like that. Okay, also we need to make sure that we need to connect this thing or execute this thing. So for do that, I'll create a simple sequence. So we can create it from these sides maybe. Yeah, we can create these things from, or we can execute this thing from this side. So let's create another sequence. So yeah, probably I'm creating lots of sequence. Yeah, I like to create sequence. So just simply connect it with this. Now we have this, that s1, a1 and d1 variable or our boolean data. So we can use this like same that how we use for work, like if it's true so we are working, if it's false we are not working. The same thing for the left side, that the left side is the left key is for our a1, so connect it with this. And if it's outing, so we'll be verify that if a1 is not true. Okay, if it's not true. The same thing for the backward, that the s1, and just simply connect it with this, and come from backs the s1s and with not. So probably it takes some time to set up, because yeah, because it's a locomotion always takes some time to set up, because we need to create lots of things. And yeah, at this time you can like my video and subscribe my channel, and if you have a question you can comment, send me comment box. Okay, I must try to give you the reply if you face any type of problem. Okay, just simply connect it with this and compile and save. Okay, now we need to just compile. Okay, now we already set it the animation. Now we just test it. Okay, like if I now press the left sides, as you can see it's playing the left animation. If it's we are going right side, so it will be play the right animation. If you go back, so it will be play the back animation. Okay, so that is the basically very simple animation. Okay, as you can see, that is so cool. Okay, like we have our basically without gun animation. If we don't have the gun, we can do this thing. Yeah, that is very easy. Now we'll be updated this animation to that if we have the, if we have the gun. So for do that, we'll be just go in our locomotion again. Just go at your locomotions, and from the locomotion we'll just copy these things. Okay, but just we need to just duplicate this thing. So duplicate and set like at here, and we'll be connected with our idle. So now you have a question that, bro, how you can verify that are we have the gun? If we have the gun, how you can play this side animation? And if we just think that we don't have any gun, so we want to play this side animation, how you verify that if we have the gun, it will be not play this side of animation state machine, it will be play these sides. Okay, I will show you. That is for this problem fix, I need lots of time, but after that I fix that problem, and let me show you. First of all, will be that will be change this, that work gun. Okay, we will be set it that work gun. So we have, it's mean that, or we can give that aim work. Okay, so aim work, and the same thing for the left side, that aim work left aim, left work aim, and the same thing for the right. Okay, aim, and the same thing for the backward. Okay, aim. So now at here we need to just select our animation with the rifle. So we need to just search that work, and there's a lots of animation with clutch also available. So we need to find the right animation, which one is the loop type, and then there is the left one. So we need to find the left work left. Maybe I can find some, there's a left straight. So it's for searching the animation, maybe it can take some time, because as you know that if perfect animation you need to find, it can take some time. So as you can see, there's a lots of animation. So in fact I can't find out, so I will open my the Unreal Engine 5 new section, that the animation. Just go in my animation and in place, and there's a lots of animation. Now we need to find that my one, that which one I want to use for the aim with left side, go, and right side. As you can see, there's a lots of animation. So that is a looping type split. That is, maybe this is the stop, maybe this is the right, that is the right animation that we need to play. Okay, nice. Sorry, we need to go at here. So we want that the left loop type, maybe this one. Or this is loop type? I don't think so, guys. What do you say? It is the loop type. Rifle strafe. Where is the left one? Yeah, this one is the left one. Now we need to go at the right sides, and probably we need to use the right side animation. That is the backward. So we need to now find out the backward animation. Where is the backward animation? That is the forward straight. Oh my god, guys, it's totally very hard to find animation like that. I think we can search that B. Okay, maybe I can found now this is the backward. Yeah, okay, now we'll just drag it and just connect it with this. Okay, so as you can see, now our animation is probably ready. Okay, so now we need to set a control that how will we control this thing, that if we have the gun. So now we can need to create a variable at here, that just in our TTP player we need to create a boolean data that using gun. Okay, that is the boolean data that it's verify that we have the gun or not. So for now we'll be click it like that. We'll be just set customly that, just think that if we press the K keyboard, okay, so first time we have the gun, okay, then second time we don't have the gun. Okay, it will be just execute our boolean data for now, because we don't have any gun, like we didn't set any of picking system data. So now at here, as you can see, we need to go at event graph. Okay, so at the event graph, from our cast2 TTP player, we need to find out this variable that using gun or not. Okay, now we need to promote a variable that like this. If we have the gun, it will be set this boolean data that yeah, we have the gun, we can now play this animation. So let's go now locomotion, and with this thing that with moving, okay, like with moving, we'll be verify one more block that using, are we are using that gun or not. If we are, so we'll be get with and boolean. Okay, so we'll basically verify this true boolean data at the same time, that if this true thing is true, so it's mean that we are now doing this thing. So now let's go at the same for the back, and the same thing for the not. I think you can you understand that how you need to set up. Okay, you need to just verify the using gun boolean data also. Okay, so now let's check. So okay, now we have no gun, so we can play this state machine. Now if just press K, so we have now the gun. So as you can see, now if I go left, right or backward, it will be play this animation. Okay, that was very simple. Now it will be not play our first state machine, that the without, if if we don't have any of guns. Okay, now if I again press K, so we have no gun, so it will be play this animation. Okay, so I just hope you understand, and I hope yeah, because my tutorials is very easy, so I hope you'll understand that what I want to make or what I'm telling. So I think that is the work for today, that the backward animations. Okay, probably we already set lots of things. Okay, so now we'll can focus in our weapon picking system, that we can pick weapon. So let's do that. So for do that, what will we do is basically very simple. First of all, we need a key. Okay, that we will be by default we will be use the F key. If you want, you can give another key. Okay, so now we need some variables, that near near gun, so it will be verified that are we are near of any gun or not. Okay, so this variable is probably need because we don't want that when we press the F key, if we are not near of any gun, we can he pick this gun or that one gun. Okay, so for do that will be some basically very simply verify this thing that if we are near or this boolean data true or not. Okay, so now we need to create some blueprint data of our the BP that our gun. So let's check that are we have any for now any guns or not. So maybe I have this, no, I for now I don't have any gun asset, so let me add some gun asset, and next video I'll show you that how you can make these things. Okay, so just wait for some time. Thank you so much for watching guys, love you all, and bye bye.